What's the difference between connectors and subordinating conjunction? Connectors are the words or phrases that link ideas, sentences, or paragraphs together to show relationship between them, such as addition, contrast, cause and effect, or sequence. They appear at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence, and they are not restricted to connecting clauses. What is subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction specifically link dependent clause, that is subordinate clause, to independent clause. They show relationship such as like reason, time, condition, or contrast. They appear at the beginning of dependent clause, and dependent clause come before or after